Welcome to the capstone. You've mastered the two systems, the shapeshifts and the mix. Now we put it all to work in the real world. This is Lesson 5. Scenario 1. The café. You're ordering for a group. Remember your word order. Noun, number, then counter. And since we count cups, we use native numbers. 아이스 아메리카노 2잔하고 케이크 1개 주세요. 2 coffees, 1 cake. Notice the shapeshifts, 2 and 한. And the price? 12,000원 is read as 12,000원, 12,000원. Scenario 2. Time and date. Someone asks, 지금 몇 시예요? You respond, 오후 2시 반이에요. Native hour, half past. And today's date? 7월 9일이에요. All Sino. You're balancing both systems perfectly. Scenario 3. Introducing yourself. Since age is something we count, we use native Korean. 저는 25살이에요. I'm 25. The domain was never your choice. You're just following the flavor of the language. Let's recap the Series 9 through line. Reading from paper is Sino. Counting by pointing is native. We mix them for time, we shift them for counters, and we regroup them at man for money. This is the complete picture. You started this series unable to say a price or a time. Now you can order, ask, and answer all in one breath. Series 9 is complete. You've closed the biggest gap in your Korean. Korean numbers were never a choice. They were always waiting for you to learn where they belong. Congratulations on finishing Series 9. 잘하셨습니다.